Hello everyone, Gliderman here. So today we're going to be looking at comments. So for the most part I've primarily just ignored them for right now. But as your programs grow bigger and bigger, you're going to find that you want to comment them so that when you come back to them like a month later, you know actually what you wrote there instead of just trying to guess. So there's two different types of comments. Both do basically the same thing. There's the one-line comment, which is just two forward slashes, just like that. Should be like right to the left of your shift key. And then from there on in that line, I could type whatever I want, back there. And here I could still have a proper line. So for instance, let me just delete that. Let's say we wanted to add a comment to the end of this saying that this is defined in seconds. So we're just going to say seconds to wait. So now it'll do this line here. It'll hit this and just ignore everything. And I don't even think that would be compiled into the program. So basically anything past that point, you can write whatever, and that's where you can put comments that are one line. However, sometimes you have comments that are more than one line. So let's just say we wanted to put a comment up here telling us what this project class is for. And what it's for is just mostly testing a bunch of stuff. I'm just going to open this up real quick. I'm going to give myself some space here. And I'm going to do a forward slash, and then an asterisk, which is shift, and then 8. And you're going to see it kind of just blanked out everything down here. Don't worry about that too much. So just press enter, and you're going to see it does basically some weird auto-completion. So anything between this character sequence, the forward slash and then the asterisk, and the asterisk and then the forward slash, both in those order, will be determined to be a comment. Technically, you don't need this asterisk in the middle. It just puts that in there for clean purposes, I guess. And you can see that it automatically adds those asterisks. I believe that is specific to Eclipse, but I mean, as it's a comment, it doesn't care what's in between there. So everything between those is a comment. So let's just say we wanted to comment out this bit here that we've got for our random function. Well, we can simply go to the beginning, do a forward slash, shift plus 8 for a asterisk, and then shift plus 8 over here, and then a forward slash. And now that is still a completely valid function. It basically just says cut this part out like that. And so that's what the compiler sees. And so it's pretty powerful like that. I'm just going to get rid of that, as we'll have compile errors if we don't have that in there, because we didn't define the random down here. And so up here we're just going to define and tell us what the project is about. And then just pressing enter there, and see it automatically adds the asterisk, and then you just continue typing. Up here, sometimes people put like their name, and sometimes like the version. I'm not going to do that now, but this is just a quick example of how the comments work. And you can see like here, this is an important variable to know what it does, because without knowing what all of this stuff does, you can now see that this is for seconds to wait. Just at a quick glance of that. Down here, we can put a comment here, and we can say 1.5 is the wheel diameter. Woo! There we go. And then 6 is the track width. So just quick little comments like that. And yes, you can have multiple lines of these. And just because that was 2, I thought it was better to do this way than this way. You can also comment out lines. So let's just say we wanted to comment out this drive.travel and rotate. We can just go down here, type 2 forward slashes, and now that line will be ignored. There's also a quick shorthand. You can do command and then the forward slash on Mac, or control and then forward slash on Windows, and it will add the 2 double slashes just by doing that command. It can also work for multiple things selected. You just do command and then slash, and it comments out all of that. And then you can comment it back in just by doing that keystroke again. So that's a quick introduction to comments, and it should give you some information to go and add a bunch of comments to your project, and now in the future you can figure out what is going to happen. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!